going downhill. What began as a modest experiment among tech pioneers has swelled into a global movement, transforming economies, technologies, and mindsets. This snowball effect, where each adoption, innovation, and cultural shift amplifies Bitcoin's impact, has redefined the boundaries of finance and society, creating a cascade of change that continues to accelerate. The initial push came from Bitcoin's promise of financial freedom. By enabling peer-to-peer transactions without banks or governments, it attracted early adopters who saw it as a rebellion against centralized control. This small community of believers set the snowball in motion, using Bitcoin for everything from online purchases to cross-border remittances. As more individuals joined, the network's value grew, driven by the simple logic of supply and demand. With only 21 million coins ever to exist, each new user increased Bitcoin's scarcity-driven allure, fueling price surges that drew global attention. This cycle of adoption and appreciation became the engine of its expansion. The snowball gained speed as businesses and institutions climbed aboard. Early merchants accepting Bitcoin, like startups and online retailers, paved the way for giants like Microsoft and AT&T to follow. Each new player added legitimacy, encouraging others to join and amplifying Bitcoin's reach. This growing acceptance spurred infrastructure development, from user-friendly wallets to secure exchanges, making it easier for the average person to participate. The result was a self-reinforcing loop. Accessibility drove adoption, which in turn fueled innovation, pushing Bitcoin deeper into mainstream consciousness. Technological advancements supercharged the snowball's momentum. Bitcoin's blockchain inspired a wave of applications, from smart contracts to decentralized finance platforms, expanding its influence beyond currency. Developers worldwide, inspired by its open-source ethos, built tools that solved real-world problems, like transparent supply chains or censorship-resistant communication. Each breakthrough attracted new industries, from healthcare to gaming, creating a ripple effect that extended Bitcoin's principles of decentralization into unexpected corners of society. This innovation ecosystem became a catalyst, drawing in talent and capital to sustain the movement's growth. Culturally, Bitcoin's snowball effect reshaped how people view wealth and power. Its meteoric price rallies captured imaginations, turning casual investors into evangelists and sparking a global conversation about financial sovereignty. Social media platforms buzzed with stories of newfound wealth, while grassroots communities rallied around Bitcoin's ethos of independence. Central banks began exploring digital currencies. Even skeptics, once dismissive, found themselves drawn into the orbit of this transformative force, further fueling its momentum. Challenges, however, test the snowball's resilience. Volatility remains a hurdle, with sharp price swings shaking out unprepared investors. Regulatory crackdowns in some regions threaten to slow its roll, while environmental concerns about mining's energy use spark debate. Yet these obstacles often strengthen Bitcoin's resolve. Each setback potato prompts innovation. Greener mining solutions, smarter trading strategies, or decentralized workarounds to restrictive laws, ensuring the snowball keeps growing, adapting as it moves. As Bitcoin's influence expands, its snowball effect shows no signs of stopping. Entire nations now consider it a reserve asset, while corporations stockpile it as a hedge against uncertainty. The more society embraces Bitcoin, the larger its impact grows, pulling in new believers and reshaping systems in its path. Its ability to inspire, disrupt, and evolve ensures its trajectory remains upward, even amidst turbulence. Bitcoin's snowball effect is a powerful force, driven by adoption, innovation, and cultural shifts that amplify its reach. While challenges test its path, its capacity to adapt and inspire keeps it rolling, transforming finance, technology, and society. As this phenomenon grows, it challenges us to embrace its potential while navigating the complexities of a world reshaped by its unstoppable momentum.